Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 11th, 2025. It's a beautiful morning. It's still it's around freezing now. I can feel the ground that's all muddy is pretty solid. But it probably is going to get up close to 50 today, maybe even over 50 degrees Fahrenheit today, which will make things even more of a muddy mess here. The geese have been flying over all morning, so that's been good. Yesterday we spent a lot of time working. Thea spent the day working inside the shop trying to clean up and get rid of as much water that had leaked out of the cabinets and tools that were in the collapsed building that we pulled into the building that's still standing. So there's all the water and debris, particles of wood and all in the cabinets and those places. So she's been going through all that, trying to soak up all the water, get it out of there so everything doesn't rust and all. She probably has a couple more days of doing that. I've been trying to sneak in there as best as I can and gather things. But I'm gonna stop doing that for now. Yeah, still, you can see as the snow melts, a lot easier to see a lot more of that glass. Seems like there's so much glass. But one of the things I want to do today is see if I can take the rafters here with pieces of this roof. This snow's melting slowly here, but the roof that collapsed over here appears to be detached from the rest of the roof here. So I don't think I have to worry about anything coming down over here, and I might be able to get to some of our wheels and all that over there. But I thought I'd come in here with Elon and see if I can start working on some of this, disassemble this, put it in the appropriate piles. We're running out of space out here right now, but we'll see what we can get done. There's another flock of geese there, Canada geese. I really love spring so much. And it looks like we're going to have just a partly cloudy day today, so that'll be great. It does my heart good, my mental state good to see the weather changing like this. There's days that I really would like some wind, so at nighttime when it's warm, I'd really like the wind to help to dry up, because this is turning into be a real muddy mess, because I've got to turn the excavator, grab these pieces, pull them down here, and take things apart bit by bit. But we'll see how everything works out, and we'll try and make some headway today. See how it goes. See if we can peel off small sections of the roof here. Some of it's setting on Pepe. I peeled off this stuff yesterday, I think it was. Yesterday or the day before. That was, of course, we got all the south wall off. But trying to peel things off to the point where I can get in here further. That's where we're at this point. So we get up underneath there some.
The roof came down, left a hell of a mess. Tools and supplies buried under the stress. We're working like hell trying to set things right, but the suits on the phone just wanna fight. Been asking for weeks and need repairs approved. They just shake their heads, never make a move. Every day that passes, more damage is done, but we ain't just waiting, no, we ain't that dumb. So we document everything, when they try to pass off the blame. Thea's taking notes, I'm running the site. Drone in the air, keeping records tight. Claims adjuster says just sit and wait, but we've learned too well that's how they escape. The wind don't wait, the rain don't care. That wreck ain't getting any easier to repair. So we move what we can, save what we should. If they won't approve it, well, we damn sure would. So we document everything, write it all down. Every tool, every board, every nail on the ground. Weather conditions, the hours we spend. Every call, every claim, won't get fooled again. Gonna do what we must, we ain't playing their game. We'll have proof when they try to pass off the blame. Got emails, got pictures, got records in hand. If they try to twist it, they won't stand a chance. We've seen their tricks, we know their ways. This time around, they won't get away. So we document everything, write it all down. Every tool, every board, every nail on the ground. Weather conditions, the hours we spend. Every call, every claim, won't get fooled again. Gonna do what we must, we ain't playing their game. We'll have proof when they try to pass off the blame. Yeah, we've learned our lesson, we ain't backing down. We'll rebuild this place with or without their help around. But when the dust settles and the claims come due, we'll have the records and they'll have the truth.
Got Elon the Excavator steady and strong, lifting that roof, been there too long. Set it down gentle, don't let it crack. Time to tear it apart and take some back. Composite shingles stacked up neat, they ain't trash, they're getting a new lease. Stainless nails pulled, copper set aside. Gonna recycle, not let it slide. Save what we can, don't throw it away. There's still some life in what folks cast away. Shingles get ground, wood finds a home. Ain't letting good things end up alone. Sort it out, do it right, keeping the landfill a little more light. Drip edge snow breaks coming off clean. Sorting through wreckage ain't always routine. Some wood's still solid, some's too far gone. But if it's worth saving, we'll pass it along. Some folks just haul it straight to the dump, but that ain't the way we clean up. If it's got used, we'll find it a way. No sense wasting what still has a day. Save what we can, don't throw it away. There's still some life in what folks cast away. Shingles get ground, wood finds a home. Ain't letting good things end up alone. Sort it out, do it right, keeping the landfill a little more light. Takes more time, but it's worth the care. Reusing what's useful, cause waste ain't fair. Piece by piece, we're making it right, turning this wreck into something bright. Save what we can, don't throw it away. There's still some life in what folks cast away. Shingles get ground, wood finds a home. Ain't letting good things end up alone. Sort it out, do it right, keeping the landfill a little more light. Yeah, we ain't just tearing it down, we're keeping what's good, passing it around. One piece at a time, that's how we go. Ain't about rushing, it's about what we know. Well, the roof came down in a twisted heap, buried my tools and the memories I keep. But I ain't rushing, no reckless plan. Gotta work real smart, do it hand in hand. Elon the Excavator, steady and slow, easing that wreckage so the danger don't grow. Gripping each section, pulling just right. One wrong move and it's trouble tonight. Piece by piece, bit by bit, trying to salvage what we can't forget. Taking it slow, gotta do it right. Many long hours working day and night. One load at a time, moving it clean. This ain't just wreckage, it's part of my dream. Thea's behind me, clearing the way, brushing off dust, cleaning what stays, sorting through pieces, finding what's sound, giving old tools a new life they found. Mud's getting deeper, the snow melts fast, gotta move quick for the wreck won't last. Stacking the salvage, finding new space, trying to keep up in this uphill race. Piece by piece, bit by bit, trying to salvage what we can't forget. Taking it slow, gotta do it right. Many long hours working day and night. One load at a time, moving it clean. This ain't just wreckage, it's part of my dream. Every board, every nail got a story to tell. So we work through the rubble and we do it well. Ain't just hauling, it's a rebuilding too. Finding what's left and making it new. Piece by piece, bit by bit, ain't giving up, not quitting yet. Taking it slow, gotta do it right. Many long hours working day and night. One load at a time, moving it clean. This ain't just wreckage, it's part of my dream. Yeah, Elon and me, taking it apart with care. And Thea's behind, cleaning up everywhere. It ain't fast, but it's gotta be done, one piece at a time, till we see the sun.
Okay, good news is I was able to get Suki, the Kubota RTV X1100C, out of the shop area. Really ticklish trying to pick everything off. I don't know how much damage it did to different areas. I'm too sore now. I strained my back some. But one of the beams came right down here. That was a real bugger. Had to cut that one to get that one out. So the roll cage has been up some. Lights are twisted, mirrors are broken, windshield's broken, the mount for the washer unit, the lights are broken here, cowl's all scratched up. We'll have to get this in to have it evaluated at the Kubota dealership, fix whatever needs to be fixed. And my mule, oh my god, Pepe, you can see the roll cage here is bent over. In order to put the seat back down, I had to bend out this section here, put the chain on it to do it. We got the flat there, that rim's damaged pretty severely. I don't know how the undercarriage is. There were pieces of boards up underneath this one, so we'll have to see how things actually look. But Pepe's my main drive unit here. You can see different places. The roll cage is bent right around here. Everything's broken here. So we shall see, and later on I'll get up and try and look and see how it looks on top of the cab here. So this really did protect the unit. I gotta say that. This held all the weight of that roof with all that snow on it. So hopefully this can get repaired and end up in good shape. I don't know about Pepe there, we'll have to see. I'm really concerned about the whole undercarriage down there. So my back's sore today, so I'm going to call it quits, and we'll see what we get done tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe. Bye bye now.